Remember the Stock Hatches, LFB Motorsport, sponsored these Stock Hatches this weekend.
Should win this.
So that's got to Tristan Taylor take it back to the pits. It's now 1-2, get that to try and get that sorted out, to try and get a better result next round. Now the new result, we're going to be racing race 2 of these Stock Hatches, sponsored by LFB Motorsport.
Go on, Gav spun. What the fuck, man?
Hold on, John.
You can actually on Gav's rubbing, can't you?
We've got red flags on this one, so we've backed up in the fence of this side.